Hi, in this video tutorial for Shape, we're going to show how to export a 3D structure to an ASCII file that you can read in to external software for further processing, for example, MOCASSIN or other software where you need position and density or other data in 3D. So let's start by making a simple cube that has a definite size, like 30 on each side, and make it roughly the size of the render view. It doesn't really matter. And then go to the renderer, and the important part is that you change from basic to physical renderer. And for experimentation we make a small cube, just 32 wide. And then we go down in the render tab to the output options. Here we select edit the file option, select the text tab, select a file name in some appropriate directory, like export. I have already done an experiment here, and then enable this option. Now from this dialog, down here is a drop-down list where you can select the output options. You can choose from the 3 position coordinates, velocities in x, y, z, and as the physical quantities you can select density, temperature, pressure, the emission, absorption, scattering. So we will first select the 3 positions, click on plus, select the position, and then click on plus, so we add it to our entry list, and then last we choose the density or whatever you need. So these 4 quantities are in our list that will be exported. You can now close this dialog and click render. This should produce a file called cubeexport.dat that you can open with an ASCII reading editor. And here are our numbers. First, we have the name of the object. For each object you will get an output different from this. If you have only one and merge everything, you can in some external script you can just delete this line or this column. And then we have our position, in x, y, and z, and the density. As you can see, there is no 0 in here. So we have the density of our cube only. And the positions are given only for positions of the grid that are contained in the cube, or whatever object you have. You can have a complex structure and you will only have the positions that are occupied by this object. So what you need to do externally is to fill your cube and then add whatever density is in here at the appropriate position, which in any voxel or cell that you might have at this position. Basically, this is all for this tutorial. Hope it is useful. Thanks.